Let's talk about Kevin De Bruyne of Manchester City and his right knee injury that will keep him out 3 months. I'll explain what the injury is and what you can expect. This morning, Sky Sports reported that Kevin De Bruyne would miss 3 months for his right knee injury. This is the same injury that he apparently injured a couple of years ago, and the team's expecting pretty much the same treatment. They're saying he's not going to need surgery, but that he's going to miss 3 months. Now, according to Sky Sports, the injury is an LCL ligament, a lateral collateral ligament injury. This is a model of the knee. We hear all the time about the MCL, the medial collateral ligament on the inside. If this is the inside of the knee, this is the outside of the knee. We hear about MCL injuries all the time. Big, thick ligament on the inside of the knee that keeps the knee from sort of bowing in like that if you get hit on the outside of the leg. That has a very predictable healing rate and recovery depending on where it's torn and is it just stretched or completely torn. It's anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks to 4 to 6 weeks. The LCL is a ligament on the outside of the knee, the lateral collateral ligament. It's involved again in stability, but this time to bowing in of the knee, but it also plays a role in sort of rotational stability. The LCL injuries, one, are a lot less common, but they're also much less predictable. It makes sense that they're going to say 3 months because there's a good chance that one, it takes that long to heal, but two, you don't want to risk any further damage. Again, on the outside of the knee and being involved in rotational stability, there's a chance if you come back too soon, you potentially do more damage to it. So they're going to be very cautious. It's good, assuming that it's true that he doesn't need surgery, that then he doesn't have an ACL tear, which a lot of times happens with an LCL injury, doesn't have a meniscus tear, something like that. So good news in the big picture sense for Manchester City fans and fans of or players of Premier League fantasy football that have Kevin De Bruyne. My son is one of those, and so he's disappointed. But it should be something that he comes back 100%. Yes, it takes a lot of time. Now, what does this do to City's title hopes? I don't think it changes it at all. I know I'm just a doctor. I'm not a soccer expert per se, but they dominated the league last year. And yes, I'm a huge Liverpool fan, and we've got a great team and hope to compete with City, but City's deep. They'll fill it with David Silva and a number of other players, and they have an easy schedule early in the season. I don't think that this will be a big deal. So City fans, expect 3 months. Maybe he comes back sooner. Think if anything, maybe it takes even a little bit longer, and he doesn't look quite the same when he comes back, but hopefully he's 100%.